Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Strong winds in northwest India, humid conditions in Kerala. Western disturbance to impact from March 9th. The India Meteorological Department has predicted a fresh western disturbance that will affect the western Himalayan region starting from 9th March. And this disturbance is expected to bring isolated scattered rainfall and snowfall to the northern and western Himalayan regions. There have been significant weather changes across India. While the southern states including Kerala are experiencing hot and humid conditions, winter chill continues in the northern states. And this change is being influenced by the western disturbance, which is set to bring more rain and snow to the western Himalayas. The Karnataka Health Department has warned residents about the hotter than usual summer. And meanwhile, Manipur was rocked by two consecutive earthquakes on Wednesday. The first earthquake of magnitude 5.7 struck at 11:06 am with its epicenter 44 kilometers east of Yairipok in Imphal East District. The second earthquake of the magnitude 4.1 hit at 12:20 pm in Kemjong District. The tremors were felt across Assam, Meghalaya and other parts of the northeast. And in Manipur, cracks appeared in the several buildings, including the school in Wangling Lambing, where a relief camp for those affected with the ethnic strike was being held. Authorities are confirming the damage. No significant damage has been reported in other states of the region so far, though the earthquakes caused significant concern in the affected areas. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.